So for everyone that's dealing with these Can-Ams, I got a 2024 Can-Am Defender Limited HD10. We've only owned it for like 6-7 months, but we've been getting some wild squeaking out of this thing. And like everybody else, I was greasing all the nipples. There's another one in there. There's another one somewhere else. I think it's up top, up there. But that was not the answer. The answer, right in here. You got to take these two bolts off. They're 15 mils, I believe. Yeah, 15 mils. Take those two off. Take off that C-clamp and grease all the way under there. That nipple, it starts coming out the sides before it actually wraps around the whole, whatever framing, I don't know what this is called, but this bar, you need to take that clamp right off and grease the rubber seal underneath completely underneath of it. I haven't done this one yet. All I did was grease the nipple. Grease came out the sides. I thought it was good. Squeaking kept going. I took the whole thing right off. Well, I'm going to do this one now, and I'll show you. I'll show you how well these nipples actually grease when I take it off. Okay, so I took off both bolts out. It's just little guys. 2 15 mil sockets will do it. And once you pull this off, morning. You can see that there is not a lot of grease in here. It's not getting completely around the whole thing. So I've been putting grease in there and then wrapping it around. Here, can you hold this and take a video? It's not blood, it's grease. Just hold this and I'm trying to take a video.
What was those GIFs you sent me?
Oh, it's just playing with some stuff.
Am I still videoing this?
Yes.
Oh.
This is the squeak problem right here.
Oh, did you figured it out already?
Yes.
Oh, are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yes, you gotta grease this up. The nipple does not do a good enough job.
No, that's what this has been this whole time. Oh no, but don't put this on YouTube. I'm on it.
Guys, please start letting me watch YouTube, cause not I can watch you cause you put this on YouTube.
Yeah, you can pause it or stop it now.
Okay, now let's see. Woo! No more squeak. Much better.